In this video, we'll look into what is prompt engineering, and especially we will look into a difference between a basic prompt and an engineered prompt. Models like ChatGPT are instruction tuned LLMs. This means that you provide specific input to a model to get your task done, and this input are called prompt. On other hand, if you provide a really good instruction and a well crafted prompt to a large language model, this is called as a prompt engineering. Let's take an example. Suppose you are working in Twitter and your task is to create sentiment analysis of a tweet. On the left hand side, you can see a very basic prompt. It goes like this: find sentiment of below text. I like course on LLM by mastering LLM. Now we can improve this basic prompt with prompt engineering by giving a very good instruction. So it goes like this: find sentiment of below tweet into three categories: positive, negative, and neutral. And after that, you can give your tweet and you can expect a sentiment from the model. To better understand this analogy, let's take an example where we compare a large language model with a genie. Now you ask a genie and you wish for $1 million. Now genie gives you back $1 million, but all of these in pennies. Now since all of these pennies are not really usable in real life, you should provide a very specific input. So you can correct yourself by saying, I want $1 million, but with $100 bills. And this time, Ginny gives you $100 bills in $1 million. The moral of the story is that be specific on your wishes, or you might end up with a lot of things which you don't really want. Let's take another example where we want to write a farewell email. First, we will write a very basic prompt. Please help me to write sample short farewell email. Now let's try this into ChatGPT. If we write this prompt and if you see, ChatGPT comes up with very generic email. Now you can improve this prompt by engineering this prompt in this way. Now you say that I need your assistance with writing a farewell email that I plan to send to the entire team at Mastering LLM. Please consider following points while writing an email. See, you should start with a subject line. My name is Bunty Shah. You should mention my company name, Mastering LLM. You should address this email to an entire team. Write a very special message for my manager. My last working day is today. You give your phone number and LinkedIn ID to stay connected, and your current position is senior data scientist. Now let's try this prompt into ChatGPT. So when we try this prompt into ChatGPT, as you can see, ChatGPT has now replied with very specific and personalized email. As you can see, it has followed all the instructions what we have given. It has included the company name, it has included my name, it has included a very special message to the manager, it has included the contact details as well. In the next video, we will look into what are the different types of prompt engineering and what are the skills to improve or engineer a prompt.